Hello friends, and welcome to another fantastic listing at 819 Walnut Place in amazing Altamont Springs. This 4-bedroom, 2-bath home features just under 1,700 square feet, which includes a partial garage conversion. It has a split floor plan, nice formal living area. You have a family room in the back. The kitchen is the heart of the home, which is always an amazing thing. And we are located in one of the best areas in Altamont Springs. You're right between 1792 and Mainland Avenue, giving you quick access to I-4 via 436 or Mainland Boulevard. You have over 30 plus 4-star rated restaurants in the area within 2 miles. And the local schools, très magnifique. You're gonna love living here. Come, add your personal touches. Follow me, let's take a look together. Well friends, thanks so much for checking out this listing. Let me know in the comments below, what would you do? What would your first project be? What personal touches would you put on this home? We look forward to serving your real estate needs. Remember, give us a thumbs up and share with your friends who are looking. They'll be so happy that you did. Talk to you soon.